That means if you're heading out to the rodeo tonight as well. You can see out there right now the Clark Roofing Camp in South Waco. Some of those high clouds that are in place. Radar is fairly quiet. You'll see it in a second. I want to give you the temperatures as you're walking out the door. It's close to 70, so plenty muggy out there. You'll feel the humidity as you walk outside, and that humidity will continue to increase through the day due to the south winds. There are a couple of light rain showers here coming into northern Mills County. Now, this right here is the wind farms that's showing up on radar, so that's not rain. But what south of Brownwood is, and some of that may work into, say, northwestern Mills County. So Mullen, Zephyr, over towards Democrat, you may see a few showers as well. Severe thunderstorm potential is there along and west of I-35 today for the most part. I'm not expecting widespread severe weather, but one or two isolated severe thunderstorms, that will be possible. The energy is there for up to $half size hail, winds to 60 miles per hour. The good news, though, there's not a ton of spin in the atmosphere, so we aren't looking at a huge tornado threat. Could never rule it out, but I'm not expecting that. That is the good news. Still, we'll have to watch for that hail, wind, and with the amount of rain we've had lately, if you get one thunderstorm that doesn't move very much, you can still see some street flooding out of it, so we'll watch that closely. Future track shows you we're quiet through most of the day. Here we are at 1:30. It's quiet. Once we get past 3, 4 o'clock, we'll watch for thunderstorms to blow up to the west. Those should try to work east, and if you can get enough of these thunderstorms organized, they could try to build into a complex and try to work through. That would have the potential for gusty winds and hail. Again, that's going to be as we head into the evening, and I think once we get past around 8 o'clock, things die down with the lack of daytime heating. Still, could see some thunderstorms overnight, maybe even lingering into Saturday morning, but the rest of the weekend does look quiet. That is the good news. How much rain are we talking about? Well, we could see close to 2 inches with some of that activity out to the west. Again, if you live east of I-35, I think you're pretty dry here through the day. 10-day forecast shows you the rest of the weekend after this is quiet. 79 Saturday and Sunday, 84 Monday. Next week, it looks warm, it looks muggy, and that brings the chance of isolated thunderstorms back in place. But look, Memorial Day weekend is looking dry for now. Let's cross our fingers that continues to be the case.